Model, 2008 Volkswagen Transporter T30 84PS TDI PD long wheelbase, 1.9 excellent runner needs gearbox. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131,285. MOT, the 20th of February 2025. Engine, 1896 cc Burr 84 bhp E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing as it is locking up. The engine is perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.